in the rain. What a wet and crappy feeling. La da 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 da. Yeah, it's right in the rain. After I got off work, didn't think it was going to pour down like this. What's going on, everyone? Ah, damn. Y'all didn't see that. How's everyone's day going? Mine's been alright, and then when I was about to get off work, heard a bunch of crack of thunder. I'm like, oh, that is great. This is gonna be fabulous. Yeah, it's really coming down. Hope y'all can hear me, and that the mic don't get messed up in this rain. That'll be great. Yep, it's coming down. Right in the rain. What a wet and crappy feeling this is. Sing in the rain. Or should I say, ride in the rain. Oh, oh. Yeah, riding in the rain like this, you guys gotta be a little bit more careful. There's a lot of times people don't see you like usual, and plus you have to at least, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know if y'all heard, but when it starts raining, you have to let it rain for like an hour before you get on the roads, because the rain kind of like loosens up, I guess you could say, the oil that was on the pavement, and it was dried up. And when it first starts raining, it gets the oil off the pavement. And from what I was told, you have to wait an hour before actually ride. But if you go ride anyway, you just have to be more careful, I guess you could say. It's been a while since I rode in the rain like this. I'm soaked. That's just fabulous. I mean, I don't mind it. It's just just whenever I get home, I have to dry everything off and put my gloves in the dryer just to dry them off, because of course I ride every day, so I need them. And as far as like my jacket, I just hang it up and let it air dry. Since my jacket's all leather, and of course there's some areas that's cloth, like in the sleeve, like there's this area that's, I would say, ½ inch, I guess, of cloth on the sleeve from the wrist all the way up to my shoulders. Last time I had someone pull a U-turn right here. He was in the right-hand turn lane, and it was pouring rain harder than this, and I didn't think nothing of it, and he pulls a U-turn right in front of me. I mean, how can you not see me coming? I mean, if I would have done the same thing, I would have checked and made sure that I'm all clear of any vehicle, motorcycle, scooter, car, 18-wheeler, or whatever, because if someone would have hit him, it would have been his fault. And I never planned on riding in the rain and doing a motor vlog in the rain like this until it actually happened. And I was planning on just doing a motor vlog tomorrow, but I guess since this came up, the rain, I guess I'm just gonna have to do a motor vlog and try to give y'all a heads up, so if something like this happens to y'all, y'all can do the same and like be prepared. And unlike cars, they have windshield wipers, but us riders, we don't. We have to keep constantly wiping our lids on our helmets off, which it don't really help too much, but it helps a little bit. At least the rain's calmed down. But I'm going to have to cut it off here. It's probably a short video or vlog. But I hope y'all ride safe for those that are riders that watch this video, or vlog, I should say. Oh, look at that. But for those that ride, y'all ride safe, and Monday I'll try to do a video, or I don't know why I keep calling it a video, but another motor vlog. But until then, y'all should subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and check out my Facebook page. And I'll see y'all then. Alright, y'all ride safe. And take care. Have a good weekend.